Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's quiz on the present perfect continuous tense. This won't be easy, so get ready to test your skills. I'll read each question along with the options, and you have to pick the correct answer. Think fast, trust your grammar instincts, and let's get started. Question 1. He dashed for the bus. Option A, wait. Option B, waiting. Option C, waited. Option D, has been waiting. Correct. Answer. Option D, has been waiting. He has been waiting for the bus. Question 2. I dashed to the gym lately. Option A, go. Option B, goes. Option C, going. Option D, have been going. Correct answer. Option D, have been going. I have been going to the gym lately. Question 3. They dash in the garden for 2 hours. Option A, work. Option B, worked. Option C, have worked. Option D, have been working. Correct answer, option D, have been working. They have been working in the garden for 2 hours. Question 4. She dashed a lot of coffee today. Option A, drinks. Option B, has drunk. Option C, has been drinking. Option D, drank. Correct. Answer, option C, has been drinking. She has been drinking a lot of coffee today. Question 5. We dash for a new car. Option A, look. Option B, looked. Option C, have been looking. Option D, are looking. Correct. Answer, option C, have been looking. We have been looking for a new car. Question 6. They dash a new project since last week. Option A, start. Option B, started. Option C, have started. Option D, have been starting. Correct. Answer, option D, have been starting. They have been starting a new project since last week. Question 7. He dashes homework all afternoon. Option A, did. Option B, is doing. Option C, has done. Option D, has been doing. Correct. Answer, option D, has been doing. He has been doing his homework all afternoon. Question 8. I dash for my friend for over an hour. Option A, wait. Option B, have waited. Option C, waited. Option D, have been waiting. Correct. Answer, option D, have been waiting. I have been waiting for my friend for over an hour. Question 9. They dash the movie for 3 hours. Option A, watch. Option B, have watched. Option C, have been watching. Option D, watched. Correct answer, option C, have been watching. They have been watching the movie for 3 hours. Question 10. She dash her keys everywhere. Option A, look. Option B, has looked. Option C, is looking. Option D, has been looking. Correct answer, option D, has been looking. She has been looking for her keys everywhere. Question 11. We dash in this city for many years. Option A, live. Option B, lived. Option C, have lived. Option D, have been living. Correct answer. Option D, have been living. We have been living in this city for many years. Question 12. He dashed for his exam for weeks. Option A, study. Option B, studies. Option C, has studied. Option D, has been studying. Correct answer. Option D, has been studying. He has been studying for his exam for weeks. Question 13. I dashed to the shop for groceries. Option A, go. Option B, have gone. Option C, am going. Option D, have been going. Correct answer. Option D, have been going. I have been going to the shop for groceries. Question 14. They dash the house all day. Option A, clean. Option B, have cleaned. Option C, have been cleaning. Option D, cleaned. Correct answer. Option C, have been cleaning. They have been cleaning the house all day. Question 15. She dashed in the library for an hour. Option A, study. Option B, studies. Option C, is studying. Option D, has been studying. Correct answer. Option D, has been studying. She has been studying in the library for an hour. Question 16. We dash to finish the project by tomorrow. Option A, work. Option B, have worked. Option C, have been working. Option D, worked. Correct answer. Option C, have been working. We have been working to finish the project by tomorrow. Question 17. He dashed to call me since morning. Option A, try. Option B, tried. Option C, has tried. Option D, has been trying. Correct answer. Option D, has been trying. He has been trying to call me since morning. Question 18. I dashed to help my parents this week. Option A, try. Option B, have tried. Option C, am trying. Option D, have been trying. Correct answer. Option D, have been trying. I have been trying to help my parents this week. Question 19. They dash for a long time at the party. Option A, dance. Option B, have danced. Have been dancing. They have been dancing for a long time at the party. Question 20. I dash to improve my English every day. Option A, work. Option B, worked. Option C, have worked. Option D, have been working. Correct answer. Option D, have been working. I have been working to improve my English every day.
If you make me your friend on TikTok and YouTube, you will definitely get a lot of benefit from me in the coming time. So, follow and subscribe to the GK series.